an elementary school classroom in a slum. The poet of the poem is Stephen Spender. Stephen Spender. Far, far from gusty babe, these children's faces. These children of the school in the slum cannot enjoy the fresh gust of waves, fresh gust of wind. They cannot enjoy fresh gust, thapede, fresh gust of wind, far, far from gusty wave, far, far. There is a flow of alliteration in it. Like rootless weed, like rootless weed, like they are like weed, unwanted plant in the garden of society, like rootless weed. Simile. The hair torn around their pallor. Their hair is scattered around their pale face. Pallor means pale face. Their hair is scattered around their pale face. The tall girl with her weight down head. There is a tall girl and her head is extraordinarily big, and the paper seeming boy. There is a boy who is lean and frail, with red eyes. Hunger may be seen lurking into his eyes. Red eyes means hunger may be seen lurking into his eyes. The stunted, unlucky air of twisted bone. And there is another boy and who has some naughty diseases, K-N-O-T-T-Y, who has some naughty diseases which he has inherited from his father. At back of the dim class. One unnoted, sweet and young. At the back of the class, there is a sweet boy and whose mind is obsessed with the thought of squirrel games out of the class. And his mind is obsessed with the thought of the squirrels playing outside the class. And of a squirrel in tree room other than this. Other than this means other than he is not paying any heed towards his class. On sour cream wall. The walls are creamish, dull, because they are uncared. It shows they are uncared. Donation. The building is erected through the work of donation. And Shakespeare had cloudless at dawn and civilized dome riding all cities. And there is a beautiful painting painted on its wall, and the dawn, cloudless dawn, and civilized dome riding all cities, belled flower, and Tyrolese Valley, a fashionable area. Open-handed map awarding the world its world. Very important line. As per the whim of certain ruler like Hitler and Mussolini, the world has always been divided between the poor and the rich. Means this picture shows the life of the rich people, while the classroom belongs to the downtrodden section of society. For these children, these windows, not this map. These children cannot make their career, brighten their future by managing themselves in these classes, and where all their future painted with a fog, where their future is bleak. Their future is bleak. A narrow street sealed in with a lead sky. Sky is called lead because the sun rays cannot penetrate it. Far, far from river, cape and star of world. And the world of these poor children is far, far from the beauty of nature and the literature or the course of education. Surely Shakespeare is wicked, very important. Shakespeare, the bust of Shakespeare has no meaning in their life. They cannot understand. Shakespeare means education, advancement in education. And the map a bad example. The map is a bad example. Why? The shape, sun, and love tempting them to steal because they want to live such type of life. That's why they start straying from their path. वो अपने जो रेगुलर पाथ है वो उससे भटक जाते हैं, straying from their path, and for lives they slide turn in their tramp hole, and they are cunningly compelled to live in these holes, and from fog to endless night. Their days are foggy and their night are dark. They have no any ray of hope. On their slag heap these children wear skin peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel with mended glass, and they are mere structure of flesh and bone. And now they wear spectacles with crude rimmed, rim and fitted with bottle glass, and all their time and space are foggy slum. They spend most of their time in slum area, and so blot their map with slum as big as doom. And the slum area have been increasing day by day, and they have ruined our all welfare measures, town planning. Now the poet becomes optimistic, hopeful. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut them, their life like catacomb. Means there no use of any dignitary unless they are brought out of their catacomb. Catacomb means dark dungeon, andheri surang, and break open till they break the town. And we must do something concrete for their betterment. Otherwise, if they start multiplying, whole the town planning will be destroyed. And show the children to green field and make their world run azure on gold sand. And they should be brought in the lap of nature where they may enjoy themselves of the beauty of nature. And they must be shown the blue water running over golden sand. And they should be allowed to read the book of the leaves, because history there whose language is the sun. History is always created by the people who have an excellent way of eloquence, like Hitler, Mussolini, Julius Caesar, and they had power of speech. History is always made by the people who have the power to change the mind of others by their speeches. Thank you very much.